Here I have Xiaomi Redmi K40, and today I'm going to show you how to enter secret codes on this device and also some of these secret codes. So to enter secret codes, just open the phone application, open the keypad on it and enter the secret codes here. And the first code for today will be *##4636 *##, and this is the testing menu. You can see different phone informations about here, about hardware, different some kind of options here too. You can view Wi-Fi information, some Wi-Fi configuration here too. The next code will be *##426 ###, and this is the code for the Fcm Diagnostics Menu. Here you can display some other informations too. Very useful, I guess. The next code will be *##5225 ###, and this is the calendar info menu. Here you can watch different calendars if you have them added on your device, I guess. As you can see, I don't have a lot of calendars here. Next code will be *##46485 ###. This is the charging and battery info, so you can see different informations about your battery here, I guess. The next code will be *##0000 *##, and this is the device info. Here you can see a lot of email informations like different IDs, your hardware version and stuff like that. And the last code for today will be *##06, and this is the code which displays your email information and also the serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.